Yo, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So it's been a while, almost like a week since I've uploaded anything, and my reasoning for that is New World. This game called New World came out, and I've been playing it for like 3 days straight. I'm not even kidding. Full degen mode. I'm not gonna go into specifics, but you know, I've been really crusty, and this game's been really fun, and I've been playing it nonstop. So I haven't even opened Overwatch, Apex, Minecraft. Like it's a good break. It's like a breath of fresh air because it's a new game. It's like an MMO RPG. So yeah, if you guys know what New World is, or if you're playing, let me know in the comments, because it's kind of my game right now. It's really fun. Right now we're on the Eden world, or the realm, whatever you want to call it. But we're probably gonna swap servers soon because the queue times are insane. Like I have to wait like 3 hours to fucking play the game. But yeah, I have this 1v1 saved with Kenced. This was actually from my GoPro video. I had a GoPro on my head when I was 1v1ing him here, and I did really well. So it's actually a really good fight. Shout out to Kenced. I don't know how, but yeah, he's like a top 5 player. I just got really lucky, I guess. Drop a like, boys, before my voice goes away, and enjoy the music, enjoy the video, and enjoy your day. See you guys. Wait, what?